Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'll share how to run effective online meetings with Google Meet, including key rules and how to behave during them. Online meetings are now normal even for new employees, but the rules are not always clearly explained. So today I'll explain everything on your behalf, from the basic to advanced tips. So let's dive in. First, there are must-follow rules for Google Meet. The main one is mute yourself unless you are speaking. Background noise during someone's speech is very distracting. Always stay muted when you are not speaking. You can quickly mute and unmute using the space key. It's easier than clicking, so give it a try. The second tip, Google Meet offers visual effects like natural and smooth. Smooth softens your skin tone, while natural gives a sharper look. Choose depending on the situation to look you best. Looking good on camera is part of professional meeting. Our third point is when you are speaking, no reactions feels awkward. So use reaction buttons even while muted. Thumbs up, hearts, and smiles show you are listening. For the speaker, Joe's reaction means a lot. Whee! First one is Google Meet also has a useful feature called companion mode. It lets you share documents without using video or audio. For example, if 4 people are in room, only one needs to join normally, the others can use companion mode just to view the shared screen. If you don't have a monitor, your laptop becomes a screen. It's super efficient. Please try it out. The fifth step is don't forget to use the recording feature. It's great for keeping records and reviewing the meeting later. You can start recording from the bottom right menu, but be sure to ask for permission if external guests are in the meeting. The recording gets saved automatically to Google Calendar. You can manage minutes while in video or in one place. Our last one, tip number 6. Before the meeting, update Google Calendar with important information. First, attach the files you use during the meeting. Next, write the meeting goal and agenda. For example, decide the name of new product. Finally, the organizer should create a meeting note. You can assign tasks clearly using this meeting note. Let's summarize. Mute when you are not speaking. Adjust the visual effects. Don't forget to use reaction when others are presenting. Companion mode is helpful in person group meetings. Use the recording feature to keep records and share goals and materials before the meeting. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.